everyone, what is up? This is Latika and welcome to another video. This week's shout out goes to Neha. Thank you so much for a lovely comment this week. If you want to go down on my social media platforms, there are all the links. Alright, welcome to today's beauty video. First of all, I hope all of you are doing well and keeping safe. Now, with the lockdown back once again, my beauty regime has kind of gone back to just pampering, taking care of my skin, repairing all that damage and just, giving my skin the care it doesn't usually get. And not only like from the surface, but skincare in general is just so therapeutic, and it's one of those little things which is helping me cope with this lockdown. So I thought, why not share it? For today's video, Kama Ayurveda sent out this product for me to try. It's their Nalpamaradi Thailam. I hope I'm not butchering the name. And its benefits and like what's written really hooked me in. It's basically a natural illuminator highlighter, basically an oil, and tons of benefits are listed for it. That it'll even out your skin tone, it'll basically reduce pigmentation, detan your skin, and hence brighten it. Now I also mentioned this in my Amazon haul where I showed the Kama Ayurveda products I got, that I'm such a huge fan of their brand. All of their products are based on Ayurveda. The ingredients are natural, and hence I was instantly attracted to try this product as well. Summers are here, we're at home, and I personally deal with tons of like uneven pigmentation and tan issues. Like, I'll insert a clip here of what the front of my arm looks like versus the back. Similarly on my knees, legs, I do struggle with this issue, so I thought let's give it a try. Let's go ahead, use this product consecutively, and let me give you a full unbiased review of the product. Did it work for me, and was it basically a hit or a miss? Okay, so firstly let me show you what the packaging looks like. I'm a fan of the brand and I love their entire vision. I love their packaging. So this is what the bottle looks like. Their classic plastic bottle with a gold cap. And I've already mentioned that I've changed up my skincare game to more and more natural products. So this one is 100% natural. On the packaging itself, all of the ingredients are listed, the directions are listed, and then of course you have rest of the information. And this bottle is the 100 ml one. This comes for around rupees 950, and you can even get the 500 ml bottle, which of course if you want to try out the smaller version first, you can do that. Now I was super excited to try this, and here are some clips of like day one before I started using the products. My main area where I knew I dealt with uneven pigmentation and tanning was the arm and mainly the knees. So I took clear before pictures to see what the result would be like, because I wanted to give my 100% unbiased review on this product. Now moving on to the application process, there is this kind of nozzle on top of it, so you don't have that fear of it spilling over completely. You can simply take a couple of drops of the oil on whatever area you want to apply, and then just thoroughly massage it into your skin. If you're doing it on your body, then you can just go upwards and backwards. If you're doing it on your face, then you can go in a circular motion. Now this is a treatment oil, so it's advised to leave it on for 30 minutes and then rinse it away with a gentle cleanser. I personally used my gentle face cleanser for it. The consistency of this is a little bit thick. It's not super runny, but you have to be careful that this product is a potent oil, so it has turmeric. I will come to the ingredients later on, which obviously stains, so be very careful. In fact, I started applying this half an hour before taking a shower, so that once I'm done, straight away go into the shower and just thoroughly cleanse it and not get it on my clothes or anything. Now there is a fragrance to this. It is obviously natural, so that's good, but there is a certain herbal woody kind of fragrance to it, and I personally use it on my body because I just wanted to see the soul effect, what this product on its own can do. But you can also use it on your face. Now coming to the results, and probably the most important part, that did it work for detanning my skin and evening out the skin tone. So I personally used this product for 5-6 sticks consecutively without a gap. I used it very thoroughly because, as I said, that I wanted to properly review this product. Till the 5th or 6th day, there wasn't a huge difference, but 7th, 8th day onwards, the results started picking up. I think on the 7th day, I took a picture and I looked back at the before, and that is when I saw a clear difference, especially the knees and legs area. I think वो सबसे ज़्यादा probably tan था, but वहाँ पे you could see a clear difference. Now of course it's a treatment oil, so you have to be patient with it. 7 days तक I saw a clear difference कि हाँ, it's working for me, but I'm going to continue this. And arm में भी I'm going to insert a close up, but जो back और front में पूरा difference था tan tan का वो दिख रहा है, like the entire complexion is evening out, which means that it is properly working. Quickly going to cover the ingredients. A major one is of course turmeric with its antioxidant properties, and all of us very well know how it's used in those beauty treatments. For the hydration and nourishing part, you have sesame oil, and for repairing you have Indian gooseberry. So these were the major ingredients that stood out to me, and it made sense how this product is working. Now just a few don'ts that I would like to cover. This is recommended for all skin types, but if you have very oily or very acne prone skin, then I would highly suggest doing a patch test first and do not apply it on the acne area. For me, at the end of it, the product showed clear results, which is why I'm going to continue incorporating this in my skincare. And according to me, this product is a hit, and only after trying out the product and when I saw the results is when I confirmed to the brand that okay, let's do this. I want to share this with my audience as well. So they have sponsored this video, but as I've mentioned, as I've shown, that I have tried out the product religiously, and I wanted to come up with this series hit or miss wherein I review a particular product, and it had to be completely honest. So I hope you like it. In case you do want to purchase the product, it will be linked down below in the description box. And this is also the first of this coping with lockdown series. I think I'm going to modify the content a little bit to how we can just, you know, spend this time indoors, maybe make the best possible whatever use we can out of it. So please let me know your thoughts, how you like this video, and what you want to see more of in the future. Any other products you want me to review in this hit or miss series, then drop them down below, and I shall see you on Friday with a Fashion Friday video. Bye.